Right, we officially parked our car. Now we're gonna enter and go to our room. Alrighty guys, so we got upgraded to a Marina View suite. And this place is pretty huge and nice. So here's the bedroom. Unfortunately, I didn't have a king bed available, so we opted for 2 queens because this place is equally as beautiful. Huge mirror, another sink and mirror here. Wow, 3 lights. Got a shower, a nice toilet room, another mirror here, vanity area again. Back to the bedroom. Come out here, the living room. You mind opening that up? Do you mind opening that up for us? And there you have it. A really nice marina view. And there's a net, so that helps with the bugs. Big pool, look like a little play area for the children. Very beautiful, and it seems as if you can get a nice sunset view from here, or at least maybe a little bit of it. So yep, there it is, your room tour of the Marina View Suite. We ordered dinner. We're taking this map that's in the central location near the lobby to find out where it is, because this place is huge. But this is some of the different things they have here in the directory. So definitely be sure to check it out in the lobby if you ever get lost. So for dinner, we are eating at the, well, we ordered from the Naughty Mermaid, I believe it's called. I got the salmon dish. Anthony got the harissa chicken with the sauce on the side because he wants to control how spicy his is. And then, of course, some drinks. So the food smells really good. It looks really healthy and hearty. We'll definitely let you know how it tastes. Good morning, guys. So it's really sunny here. Hence the sunglasses, the extra UV. But we're gonna go try breakfast. It ends in about 30 minutes. So we're gonna go and check it out and see what they got going on. We got breakfast free with our, well, there's an upcharge, but we got to choose between points and breakfast. So we chose breakfast, and we're just gonna pay a couple extra dollars just so that we have access to the full buffet and not just the continental. So come with us for breakfast so I can show you along. Alrighty, good morning guys. So here is the menu. And if you are a Platinum Elite member and you chose breakfast as your welcome gift, then you get the voucher off of this stuff. So basically, you would just get a price deducted from this. Anything more than that, you would just pay a $5 surcharge. So it's not too bad. I'm so sorry. I really meant to show you guys when it first came out and it looked more appetizing. But I got blackened shrimp and grits, which is really tasty. Orange juice, lemon, water, and a side scrambled egg. Anthony got also the same meal, and it tastes really, really good. Breakfast was good. Back to the lobby we go. Alrighty, we're going to the pool, and they have these cute little golf carts to take you to the pool. So we're actually going to go to the rec center pool. Check that out. So it's a little ways from the resort, as you can see straight ahead. So this golf cart is saving our lives. See you there. Okay, health and fitness center. Doing well. How are you?
Too hot. 96 degrees.
96?
96? Oh my God.
That makes sense. All right, let's go to the pool. No glass containers. How cute is it? All right, let's go this way. So far I see 2 pools, one straight ahead and then one back over that way. We're gonna go check out this one. It seems quiet. It's really chill over here, at least today. Yeah, let's get in the pool. Alrighty, so we are here at the big pool. Very nice, the water's warm. There's Anthony, lots of chairs, and it's chill and quiet with nice jazz music. So alongside the pool, there's also a hot tub. It's really hot today, so I didn't spend too much time in it. But we're gonna go check out that other pool that's in this area. All right, so here's pool number 2, a lot bigger and also huge for laps. So now we're gonna call a go-kart and head back over to the other one. But the pool water is really warm, I guess because it's really hot today. So if you're gonna come around this time, that is to be expected. But let's go ahead and head on back. All right, going back to the Westin. Thank you, Rec Center. All right, so this one is already sounding busy. All right, here's the bigger pool. Let's see what it's given. There's also a hot tub here. But overall, it's a lot busier, so we're gonna head back upstairs and get ready for dinner. So there's a walk-up bar line that forms right there, and there's also a menu with the QR code. But we're gonna check out their happy hour menu, and then otherwise you order right from there, and you can eat outside. It's a cute little vibe. You can see the marina right over there, lots of boats and stuff. So yeah. All right, so happy hour is $5 off of any appetizers. So let's see what we end up getting. Okay guys, so the food was good. Anthony got a shrimp sandwich and some french fries. One thing I will say, the food here has been pretty tasty. Like last night, that salmon dish that I showed you guys, as well as Anthony's chicken dinner was really good. And then his lunch was really good as well. But tonight for dinner, we're considering eating off the grounds only because we kind of want a break. The prices has been pretty decent. Not too expensive, but they're definitely not on the cheaper side either. So I wouldn't say reasonable, but it's like it's okay. So yeah, so now I'm on the balcony. This is the views right now. A lot of people are bringing their boats back, which is a nice thing to watch. So we are now gonna go ride bikes and see what that's all about before the sun sets, because from our room we can't see the sun. We can't see the sun setting from our room. So we're gonna go ride bikes. That's included with our stay. So I'm gonna let you guys know how that goes. See you downstairs. All right, we signed our waiver, and now we're free to take our bikes. There's no basket, so don't bring stuff like I did. I have no clue where Anthony went. And the brakes on these things is bad. Just go this way, no cars. Back towards the entrance. To the entrance? Say it again?
So we're gonna go down that way.
Okay, these brakes are bad.
Yeah, you just gotta pedal backwards.
All right, and just like that, our bike ride is done. They're due by dusk, so it's time to now get ready for dinner. Florida lady. Alright, so breakfast is here. It's a bit heavy out today, but we had a long travel day, so this is going to be appreciated. But this, with the steak, it's a surcharge of $9. So for these 2 meals, we only pay about $18, which is pretty much worth it if you have the voucher. Otherwise, let's dig in. Bon appetito. Alrighty, we're just taking a nice little walk after breakfast. Breakfast was good. I just want to show you guys kind of what the grounds are like. Very European style looking. And we're even gonna try this boardwalk. That I kept seeing from my room up there. So a nice little walk. The pool is jumping already. The bars are full. So it's a really nice day. The weather's nice also. Here's what it's like to walk around the marina. And the hotel is just right here. So after this, we are going to go back to our room, gather our things, and hit the road and get back to the airport. Thank you guys for joining me on this video, reviewing the Westin Cape Coral, Florida. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you consider staying here because it is a beautiful resort as well as a really, really nice amenities. See you next time.